could hear it calling. You know, I needed to. If y'all get that reference, leave a comment below. Hi guys, welcome back to Watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about, as you can tell, some new palettes. What I thought about today, guys, and I've done this a while ago on my channel, and I thought about bringing it back, and I'm excited to talk about Morphe's two new palettes, the 18H Sweet on HUE palette and the Coca-Cola 1971 palette. So I wanted to do a palette battle with these. I love me some palette battles, y'all. So I wanted to do a look from each of these palettes and really get into it. So before we get on to this battle, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get on into this battle. right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. With this battle, y'all, I want to break down each one of these things and see which one wins. So we're going to tally all of these ups and see who the winner is at the end, y'all. So first is, of course, the first eye. This is the Sweet on HUE 18H palette. Packaging, cute, pastel fantasy. Love that. So I'm already giving a point for the pastel illusion. The packaging is very, very cute. So both of these palettes have 18 colors in them. It's kind of like a medium-sized palette, and they do give you a gorgeous mirror at the top, so you can put on all your looks. And this one actually starts with a top row of like the lightest pastels at the top. And then you get like a shimmer up here. Rest are mattes that have pinpoints of shimmer inside of it. So pretty much this top row I did use on this whole eye pretty much. I did dig into the purples a little bit and some of these shimmers, and I did pop into Boba Babe down there at the bottom, the darkest shade. Oh, and also Cheat Day, I did this one as well. The names are really cute. They sound like little snacks: baby cakes, sprinkles, rock candy, ginger snap, eye candy, milk tea. Ugh. Cute, cute, cute. Icy, the Icy palette by Morphe. I still prefer that pastel palette, even though it's not like the most versatile palette, but it was just like the first pastel all around Morphe palette that I ever got. And I do still like it. I still play with colors in it, but this one I have to admit, this whole top row is elite. So you know what, pastel wise, I am going to give this palette a point because it did it. It did the thing. It really did. The pigmentation of some of these though are so-so. The Hello Jello, that yellow right there. See, I want her to pop. I want her to pop. I have her on the top there. I said I'm gonna put her in the front. I'm gonna let her showcase. She's meh, you know? But the other ones down here were very cute, but the Sweet Talker, that light pink, she was meh, you know? Blue, fantastic, meant to be, great. Orangey down here, and the purples and pinks down there, beautiful. Dark color, beautiful. Even the shimmer baby cakes, and I believe that's all I did use. Yeah, baby cakes, and Like a Snack is gorgeous. I put that at the bottom. Oh, ginger snap, that one's very pretty on top of like a purpley, pinky, even an orangey color that'd be pretty on top of it. So the shimmers did very well. The darker colors did very, very well. Few of the pastels did really, really well. So overall, I think this palette does get like a 1.5 point, in my opinion, off of what all I can use, because one of the points is all the dark colors are perfect. They swatch great, but the pastels, what I actually bought it for, they're so-so. So since the pastels are so-so, I'm like, well, what's the point? It's supposed to be more sweet colors and pastel vibe. But it did give me a very bright, pretty soft look. But I could have used maybe only 2 colors instead of the 3 or 4 because that's all you can really see anyways. That's a low one. She get 1.5 for this palette. The Coca-Cola 1975 palette with Morphe. I love this palette. I'm gonna start by that. Packaging, elite. Packaging is so cute. Can't tell me nothing. I love the vibes. I love the old Coca-Cola bottles as well, guys. I think they're very great to collect. They are vintage gold. I think they're so cool, the different designs they have in it. But anyways, this one is the Unity collection. Sorry, the Unity 1971 collection. This one, it has at the top, I like to teach the world to sing in a perfect harmony. I like to buy the world a Coke and keep it company. I love it. At the top, it has a little cute saying. And then of course, they got all these gorgeous colors. So with this palette, y'all, I knew this warm neutral section, I said, I'm gonna like her. I'm gonna like it. I just, good browns and oranges in it. I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. These shimmers, nicely pigmented. The colors look kind of blah, but when you swatch them on, they're very, very beautiful. I did put a green at the bottom, had blue at the top with that brown. I just wanted kind of a pop of color, but I still want to use 2 different colors, you know? Of course, the browns are gorgeous, but y'all seen what I did. I used this to give that old mod, late 60s to early 1970s kind of vibe. I love this color. Good Company. She's so good. She's so freaking pigmented. I love it. I was like, oh, hold up. I was like, hold up. I did use the warm fuzzies, that one all over the lid to make that chocolate kind of circle. I love it. It is the vibe. It is the moment. Like the 1971, it's a vibe, a modish kind of look. It really did it. I was like, this did this for me. So packaging, that's a point. Ding, ding, ding. And then the shimmer pigmentation, yes, that's a point. Ding, ding, ding. And then the mattes, fantastic. I'm gonna give that one a 1.5 point. So overall, The battle between these two palette guys, y'all can already see which one is the winner. It is the Coca-Cola palette. She is the winner, y'all. She's the winner. She is the winner because it fits the vibe, the aesthetic, cute packaging, and it's pigmented as hell. She played fair. She was coming with it. The packaging was coming. Pastels, all how they're lined up, the alignment, she was coming for it, but the pigmentation is what failed. This one is a hitter. This one's really, really good. This one hit really good. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this new palette battle. I know I love palette battles. I like trying them out, especially when they come in like the same size, same amount of colors, just a different vibe, or even if the same similar colors, you know, I want to try it all out, you know? These two new palettes that came out with, I think they did pretty well. The packaging, the amount of colors, I do like the vibes of both of these, but I think overall the Coca-Cola one, they did very, very well because you know, that they did that. They did it with this. And I figured they would, but I heard pastels and I said, it's calling me. I could hear it calling. You know, I needed to. If y'all get that reference, leave a comment below. If y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, but I love talking about breaking down each palette because I feel like a lot of different palettes come with different vibes, and some of them are just freaking good and some of them are just bad. Some of them are meh. So I like really breaking down palettes because I buy a lot of different palettes for different moods. So I hope you guys enjoyed this palette battle today. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know which one is the winner for you. Was it 18H Sweet on HUE? Or was it the Morphe Coca-Cola 1971, the Unity Collection? So let me know in the comments below, guys. And don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.